Thanks so much for joining me today. If you have a location that you'd like us to drive to, leave it in the comments below. I'll grab the camera and we'll head that way. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to Dewey's World, will you do me a favor and do that, as well as click the like button and the bell? That'll keep you up to date on the latest from Dewey's World. These videos are so fun to make. I hope you've enjoyed watching it, and thanks so much for coming out on this drive with me.